Welcome in episode 5 of my V8 MIATA build. We are taking some stuff and we are going to Darek's place to continue working on
Wodzu MIATA game do polotka.
Dobra, kochani, 10.
Today we are going with Bożedar's whip. Look at this, man.
Look at this Ukrainian sticker.
Where?
This is not the Ukrainian.
Ukraina! Bruh.
Man, ciao. So we made it, wrong customs again, and now it's time to work. Nice. So here is my engineering of holding the old e-brake here. As you can see, it's welded to the tunnel, so we need to cut it off and take out this old, not actually working very good e-brake out. So because exhaust manifolds are gonna be pretty close to the frame here, and because under the hood is gonna be pretty hot, we're gonna apply this pure gold heat protection,
erection.
So we're gonna apply all the gold thing here on the frame and here on the tunnel, because when I'm driving my feet are literally here and I don't really want them to be fried. And also today we are going to install a new brake lines and a new fuel lines. O tak. Jest. Dobra, dobra.
Ogólnie jakby na przykład słońce to jest zajebiste, bo to jest taki trochę...
Nie no, mega, mega, mega. So it looks like we are gonna now merge the engine with the gearbox for good with clutch, and it looks like we might put the engine into the chassis for the last time. Maybe. Maybe. Let's see. So I was like, okay, we're gonna, you know, no more problems coming, just easy, working on the engine, blah, blah, blah. And then I was trying to tighten up the valve covers, obviously with the proper tool. And what happened is the valve cover cracked, just right here.
Bruh.
Which shouldn't happen actually.
O kur... Bo tu jest fajnie, bo uszczelka jest za śrubą, widzisz to?
Czekaj.
Patrz.
No.
Widzisz?
No.
A tu nie ma uszczelki pod spodem. I tu kompresujesz, a tu
Wiem,
jest
o co chodzi.
powietrze.
A, dobra, też to widzę teraz.
No.
So I bought this radiator for S13, and we were actually gonna go to re-weld this water hose to go from this side. We're gonna take the valve cover to the same place, and we're gonna ask them to weld it as well because it's aluminium, so it shouldn't be any big issue. But yeah, it shouldn't happen. I don't know why it happened. Daj odwróć.
Wodzu Beats production. Wodzu Beats production.
So now putting the engine for the last time, hopefully last time, to the chassis.
Wodzu Beats production.
1 a.m. we are finishing for today. Engine is in, and the next step we are gonna put suspension all together because we didn't do it today. And also we're gonna do the fuel system, the brake system, and the cooling system. So then we can have Andrew here who can do the electrics, not in the next video, but like in 2 videos, in 2 episodes we're gonna try to start the motor. And then we're gonna finish the drive and we're gonna go drifting. Mad. Looking so nice. What do you think, Marek? Yo, Marek, what do you think, man? Does it look good?
Marek, bleh. Oh, you drink, Marek.
Good boy.